So let's assume that we want to create this card table so we can cut them when we print them, and we want the card to be in the same size, the same width and height for all the cards. So let's go to File, New, and then choose a blank document, and this is what we will get. Alright, so to get this page, if we want it like to be to change, the first step is to change its orientation from landscape to portrait, which is mean like, do you want the page to be vertically or horizontally? So just go to the page layout, orientation, then choose landscape. Alright, so since we got this landscape over here, we need the step 2 to insert the table. So when we go to insert and we choose the table, we can insert the tables in two ways. The first one is to draw it manually that way, okay, or we can do insert table and then click on insert table over here. And what's the number of columns? Let it be 3. Number of rows, let it be just 2. Alright, so when we got this table over here, we need to set the we need to go to the layout to set the size of the cell, which means the width and the height. So let's set it to 3 and this one to 3. Alright, so if I don't know like what exactly the width that I want, I can do it manually. After that, go to the cell and the layout will be for this specific cell, which is mean it's got like this is the height, which is 3, and the width, which is 2.58. So again, let's select the whole table and do it 3 for the width and 3 for the height. Alright, so the next step to write the letters, so let's go back over here to write the letters. So we just like want to apply the caps lock, A, P, then type the letters C, okay, D, E, then F. So for the A letters, we want to capitalize and center. So let's choose the whole text for this table. So from cell A till the end of the cells over here, do the selection that way, and then go to the Home tab and choose from the paragraph centralized. If I selected the whole table and then I go to the Home tab and choose from paragraph centralized, it will centralize the whole table on the page. So okay, this is good. You can set it manually too, but this is better. It will give me a precise distance for this table. So alright, so this is how to fix the cells width and height and for the whole table. So when you go to select the whole table and you go to paragraph, and you can set the alignment to centralize. And if you selected the whole text from the first cell till the end cell, like from this point to this point, you will be able to change the paragraph. This is the text, this is the settings of the text. So you can do it centralized, go to the right, to the left, whatever. So now we can click on bold, okay, and we can enlarge the text, start enlarging the text. So what we want to talk about, which is this copy format, the format painter. This is if we went to the A and we said that it's format to be suitable, that way it's good. Alright, and we choose to be, we just give it like any of these formatting over here, and we want to copy it to this. So the first step, that's you select the text, you go to the, as you can see here, the format painter. Okay, the format painter, if you point at it, it will give you a description and also a shortcut for that, which is Ctrl+Shift+C. So click on it, and now when you point at, okay, when you point at B, you will see this brush over here. Just select the B and you will see the results. So again, point at B. If you want to copy the format from B, just point at B, need the selection. You will get this box over here. Click on formatting, alright, and then choose the whole table. That's alright. This is how we do the copy formatting. So the next step is to insert an image for the A. If you want to insert the Apple option, alright, okay, just go and type Apple in Google. Okay, the first thing that we want to do, we will type like file type. what does the file type mean? We want only the images with PNG type, which means like and images without background. So if in the Word document, if I have like a black background, I can post images with a different background. So let's go over here and then go to the page layout and choose page color. Let's change it to something else. Okay, and then go to the Google page and choose right click copy image, and then go back to this Word and right click to do paste. So when you do paste, as you can see, the size of the cell just got changed because it have to fit the image that you already inserted. So you can resize it manually that way, or you can do it by selecting this image, and there is a tab for this image specifically, which is called format. So here in the format table, just go to the size and set the width and the height. So let's set it like 2 by 2. All right, and then go to the P. Okay, let's make it like smaller. Okay, that way maybe the size is good, which is like okay. So let's go back to the to Google page, and let's Google, for instance, the banana. Okay, banana. All right. So this is the banana. Let's choose any of these. For instance, let's choose this image over here. Right click, copy image, and then go here and do paste. So to set its width, just select the previous image over here, go to the format, copy its width or its height, and do this for this image, and paste the new height for it. So since it's with the P on the same line, just go to the P and right after the P, click on the enter button using the keyboard, and this will have the P. So for the C, let's Google the carrot. Okay, carrot. Okay, let's choose any of these. Carrot, and take it and do paste. Okay, you can do it smaller, or you can directly go to here and go to format and copy its width. Alright, and paste it over here. Okay, maybe we need to set it manually just to resize it to make it smaller, then go to type here and to set its width. Alright, so I just copy it with this double quotation. Maybe this is what make it not work. So now let's go to the D and like paste any picture. So let's go back to Google over here. If I was like maybe copying an image, and if I did it like right click copy and I want to take it directly and it's not pasting on the Google, I can do the follow. Just right click on it and copy, save image as, and just give it a location, which is like the desktop, download, document, wherever it is, and then choose save. Okay, let's choose something else, like for instance dog. Alright, this dog. Okay, right click, save image as, and let's name it dog, then enter. So when you go back to here and you want to insert the image, you can go to the insert tab and then choose picture and go to the desktop. Here you got this dog drawing, this dog picture. So if we got this over here and I want to remove the background of this image, just select the image and you will find the format tab for this image and click on background remover, and you can select this image and then click on keep changes. This is how it will change, how it will remove that background. So let's copy this from the eraser and take it to the next slide. You can have any resource for your images, while you just know how to paste them and how to put them on your your drawing. So for this drawing, if I want to remove its background too, just go to the layout, to the format, and then there's adjust group, as you can see over here, format tab, adjust group, click on background removing, just select the image and this will remove the background. Great. So, and that's it for the format painter and how to create the table and how to insert an image inside the table. If you have any question, please place it below. Thank you for watching.